Hello kids, how are you all? I'm fine, thank you. So kids, today we are going to learn about colors first, and after that we will learn about alphabets. So let's start it. Which color is this? It's blue color. Repeat after me. It's a blue color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Red color, red color. Violet color, violet color. Brown color, brown color. Orange color, orange color. Yellow color, yellow color. Light green color, light green color. Sky blue color, sky blue color. Pink color, pink color. Now let's start writing. We are using here green color, light green color. A for apple. A for apple. Sky blue color. B for ball. B for ball. Red color. C. Red color. C. C for cat. C for cat. Brown color. D. Brown color. D. D for donkey. D for donkey. Blue color. E. E for eagle. E for eagle. Orange color. F. Orange color. F. F for frog. F for frog. Black color. G. Black color. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Pink color. H. Pink color. H. H for hen. H for hen. Violet color. I. Violet color. I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Yellow color. J. Yellow color. J. J for jug. J for jug. Green color. K. Green color. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Light green color. L. L for lion. L for lion. Sky blue color. M. Sky blue color. M. M for mouse. M for mouse. Red color. N. Red color. N. N for nose. N for nose. Brown color. O. O for orange. O for orange. Next is blue color. P for peacock. P for peacock. Orange color. Q. Orange color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Black color. R. R for red. R for red. Pink color. S. Pink color. S. S for snake. S for snake. Violet color. T. Violet color. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Green color. U. Green color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Red color. V. Red color. V. V for van. V for van. Orange color. W. Orange color. W. W is for watch. W is for watch. Black color. X. Black color. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. And blue color. Y. Blue color. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Next is brown color. Z. Brown color. Z. Z for zebra.